Hit it! Hey everybody, this is the Computer Geek 010101001 here. Here I am, excuse the noise, I've got a laptop taking a disk image right now, and its fan is not unlike, its fan sounds not unlike that of a jet engine when it is disk imaging. So anyways, digression. So, quick little tutorial here. I'm going to be showing y'all how to get VirtualBox installed and to actually make it stick around on Debian Testing. Because if you've used Debian Testing and you've tried fighting with VirtualBox, you may know that it may be a bit of a pain. VirtualBox is working, you do updates, the kernel gets upgraded, and suddenly the DKMS modules fail to compile, and VirtualBox is left dead in the water. Now, if you're on whatever the latest Debian release as of the time of recording happens to be, right now it happens to be Debian Buster, I believe, Debian 10 codename Buster. Though Debian 11, I believe the codename is Bullseye, is coming out either later this year or early next year. Yeah. Anyways, so this is on Debian Testing, and I'm not going to actually cover the part about moving to Debian Testing. But anyways, so what you need to do here is the first thing you need to do is you need to go ahead and open up a terminal, and of course this is assuming that you're logged into the system with an account with that is in the sudo group, and you need to do an apt update. And just go ahead and let it pull all the packages and pull all the stuff. And if it says something about Debian something no longer has a release file, then what you need to do next is do sudo apt sudo nano /etc /apt /sources.list, and let's just go ahead and put the focus right back to auto. And you see these and the lines ending in testing /updates main testing /updates. The lines that contain that string of text, comment them out by putting a £sign in front of those. Then Control O to save, hit enter, hit Control X, and do a sudo apt update again. And you should either see your system is up to date or X amount of packages can be upgraded. Run apt list -- upgradable to see them. And I just did a tab complete there, and it looks like some multilingual Debian reference packages. So once you get it to that point, what you need to do is you need to edit your etc apt sources.list file again, and you need to go to the very end of the file. This is critical because the order in which these repository entries are put in is critical because it partially determines the priority. And the changes we'll be making here we'll be adding the Debian SID or the Debian unstable repository, and that needs to be as lowest priority as possible. So we'll go ahead and add in at the very end of the file deb http://deb.debian.org/debian sid main contrib non-dash free. And then you type deb/deb-src and then the same thing. You go ahead and hit Control-O, Enter, and Control-X to exit. And then there's another file that we need, that we absolutely need. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull it from another system of mine that has this particular file. See anything in the Quick Connect? Yes. Should be right here. Alrighty. And this file that I just copied over is going to be critical in setting the priority appropriately. So I'm just going to go ahead and cat the contents of this file and verify that it is correct, which it is. And you can see the file's contents for yourself. And what you need to do with that is you need to copy this file to the etc apt preferences.d directory, or you can do sudo nano/etc/apt/99pin-uns 99pin-unstable. Now, generally this file is going to be either a new file, as indicated by the text new file, or it's going to be a completely blank file where it'll say red 0 lines. So in this, you need to type this text right here. So, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it, and if you fully upgraded your system, you should see, if you have your system fully up to date, you should see a warning, unsafe paste dialog. Go ahead and hit paste here. I'm just going to paste that in, or what you can do is, this file should be linked in the description, and basically what you do is you download it and you copy it to your home directory, and then basically all you do is you do cp 99pin-unstable and then /etc/apt/preferences.d. And make sure to have sudo in front of that, or do it from root, either by being under a root login or sudoing to root with sudo-i. So once you have that done, you do a sudo apt update, and it's going to pull stuff from multiple Debian SID repositories. And if you did it right, you should see a small number of packages can be upgraded. If you see something like several hundred or several thousand packages can be upgraded, then you have done something incorrectly and you need to go back and check your work, because you have clearly misconfigured something or done one of these steps incorrectly. So once you've gotten to this point, what you need to do is you need to do sudo apt install VirtualBox, and then you need to type -t-sid. The -t-sid is extremely important because that tells apt to look for this package in the SID repository. So go ahead and hit enter, and it says the following new packages will be installed, and should say 0 upgraded, 7 newly installed. This number right there, that is probably going to vary around a bit depending on what your system configuration happens to be. 0 to remove, and a very large number of packages not upgraded. And it says need to get blah 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 megabytes of archives, and after this operation several hundred megabytes of additional disk space will be used. Go ahead and hit enter to confirm. Now it's going to download VirtualBox and install it. And while we're at it, I'm actually going to go ahead and pull a few I'm going to pull a virtual machine or two from the technically main office computer. Let me see, VirtualBox VMs, let's see how large that is, 2 gigabytes, manageable. And queue, and go ahead and toggle processing in the transfer queue. So while that's happening, looks like we are building our DKMS modules. And now it's installed. So, let me see. And I just closed the terminal. Okay. So now, VirtualBox should be there and present. And welcome to VirtualBox, blah, 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 blah. So we'll go ahead and close that. VirtualBox VMs. Drag and drop Windows 2000 in there. And if you have any virtual machines present on the system, you need to go ahead. Virtual machines present on the system, you need to go ahead and click Add. And what you're looking for is the virtual machine file, your .vbox file, which is a VirtualBox machine definition. And once you get your first virtual machine added, you need to go back to Tools, click Add, and repeat this process for your virtual machine files. Well, your various virtual machines. Now, if you're using a dark theme like me, and you find yourself unsatisfied with how VirtualBox looks, now this section of the video will tell you how to deal with that. Let's see, Qt5 theming. So now you'll need to install the packages Qt5CT and Qt5-style-plugins. So sudo apt install those, and it'll want to install a whole bunch of other stuff. Go ahead and confirm that. And once those are installed, we need to edit our etc environment file. So we'll do sudo nano /etc /environment and paste that in. And then and now you'll need to go ahead and type all caps qt_qpa_ platform theme equals qt5ct. Paste that in, save and exit. And now I'm just going to go ahead and open qt5 settings. And it's going to say this application is not configured correctly. Go ahead and mash hide. And this palette here, go ahead and set that to custom. And I used this tool called OOMOX to generate a custom theme. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that that is the color scheme. And there's various color schemes that are available for use here. I'm going to go ahead and select OOMOX current new. Let's see here, palette custom, okay, apply and exit. I'm going to go ahead and close everything out, and we basically need to log out and log back in again. Go ahead and log out here. And log back in here. So if we go ahead and open VirtualBox now, it's dark just like the rest of the system. So we'll go ahead and start up a virtual machine. Okay, I get it. And here we are starting up a Windows 2000 professional virtual machine. Looking like it's going to go ahead and auto log me in. Okay. And here we are. VirtualBox is up and running. So, that is how you install VirtualBox and get it to stick around a while whenever you are on Debian Testing. This is ZComputerGeek01010001 here. Peace out, guys. Peace out, and see you again in the next video. And now, whenever we open up VirtualBox, I keep looking in the wrong place, and I don't know what I just opened. Who knows, maybe I got lucky and opened Steam. I just opened standby. Okay, what is this thing here? Oh, that's Chrome. No. Also no. Get out of here. Go away. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead.